Today guys, I will show you how to fix UC browser sound problem easy and quick. You have to open first the settings of your mobile phone, click on apps option right now and search for UC browser and click. Now scroll down this list and click storage. Click clear cache here and after this back, click add for stop and click OK. And now you just have to move to Play Store or App Store and update UC browser. Restart your device and that's all what you should do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another video.